Doge is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Once again, we have been absolutely killing it in our Telegram channel. This is just another reminder for those of you that haven't joined yet. We are providing daily updates on charts of all your favorite coins as well as your favorite trades. So make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we are testing a very crucial support level here on 0.084. In yesterday's video, I mentioned, of course, the fact that you can see we were waiting for a pullback opportunity to retest our exponential moving averages, and then we saw a stronger continuation to the downside. This is exactly why I always mention to make sure you guys take your profits on these support levels. And for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we already booked our 30% trade right here, and now we were waiting for this confirmation. Now that we saw a very nice retest of our exponential moving averages, you can see, of course, the fact that the bears are obviously still in control. We are still retesting this area as resistance, although we did see a very nice manipulation wick retesting those highs at 0.088. This was a very nice liquidity grab, which I did mention to you guys many times to look out for. What usually happens during liquidity grab moments is, of course, it looks like a false breakout. A lot of buy orders get filled right over here, hoping for the fact that this is going to be the massive move, and immediately after they get absolutely wrecked towards the downside. Now, what I'm looking forward on Doge, of course, is if we do end up breaking below 0.084, the next main support level that we are going to have to pay attention to is going to remain at 0.08. The reason why this level, of course, is very important is looking at previous price analysis. You can see, of course, that we did see a very nice midterm support level created right here. And if we do end up completing this massive move set towards the downside, this is going to be the main area of our focus. Any clean break below this level, of course, and you guys already know our overall target from the bearish case scenario remains down here at 0.075 because of the fact that this area was already tested multiple times. Any clean break below 0.075 and our daily support levels are drawn ahead, 0.057 and 0.04 could definitely be tested. Right now, a lot of people might be looking at this trade and noticing the fact that we did see two massive moves towards the upside on the 4-hour time frame. The first one, of course, was this move set from 0.07 trying to break above 0.11, and the second one was, of course, this massive fake out opportunity, seeing the same sort of capitulation mode, as well as the fact that this was a very choppy range. The last time we ended up having a very choppy range was right over here back in November, where Doge was trying to break above 0.08 just like we saw right now, and immediately after we saw a very clean breakdown formation. This is exactly why I've been mentioning the fact that if we can't seem to break above 0.088, we are only going to be looking for shorting opportunities, because this means that Doge is ready to go ahead and test further lows. Any clean break above that level, and we have to use it as support. A lot of you guys are confused in the fact that when I say when break above 0.088, we have to wait for proper confirmation. Proper confirmation would look like something like what we saw over here previously, but once again, it would be something like this, where we end up breaking above, using this level as support, and then a stronger continuation. That's your confirmation that you're looking for, of course, on Doge for that possible breakout opportunity. Now, if we look here on the hourly time frame, you can see, of course, the fact that Doge is rejecting multiple time frames in terms of the 0.088 level. We saw a beautiful retest a few hours ago, grabbed that liquidity, and immediately after saw multiple bearish engulfing candles. But if you guys want to pay attention, you can see, of course, the fact that our exponential moving averages are starting to push lower. The last time this, of course, happened, I warned you guys that when our exponential moving averages start pushing lower, we tend to see massive breakdown formations on Doge. This is exactly what happened, and we saw a huge capitulation, and this is why I'm warning you guys to pay very close attention to 0.08. Any clean break below that level, and that would mean that Doge is ready for that stronger continuation to the downside. And of course, you guys can see from yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that breaking below our exponential moving averages on the daily while seeing this bearish volume come into the market isn't something we want to see. You can see, of course, that as soon as we broke below these exponential moving averages right here, we saw some multiple bearish engulfing candles break below this level. We did create a very nice midterm support level here at 0.08, but as of right now, it looks like Doge is ready to reject and retest this level once again. From previous price analysis, you can see, of course, throughout the days, we've been trying to break above 0.08, but the level that we were using as support on the daily has now turned into resistance. This is why I mentioned to you guys in Telegram that we are looking for further downside towards all the altcoins, since they are ending up breaking major support levels. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.